Welcome to CloudC Yoga. Do you often get headaches at the same time every day? A lot of my students have felt this way. Well, painkiller can help, but sometimes the real problem is just how you're sitting or standing. If you're constantly on your phone, sitting at a desk, or working in repetitive positions, it can lead to headaches, shoulder neck tension, and for some, even numbness in the hands. These are all signs that your body is asking for relief. If this sounds familiar, regular yoga practice can be a natural way to ease headaches without relying on painkillers. Today, we'll focus on simple stretches to release tension in the area that may be causing your discomfort. Only for this cow face pose, you may need a yoga strap, but a towel or a piece of clothing will work just as well. Now, let's begin the practice. Find your comfortable sitting position. Raise your right hand and place it next to your left ear. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, pull your head to the right, as if you are bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Relax your left shoulder and feel the stretch along your left neck. Hold for about 2 to 3 breaths in this position. Now slightly tilt your head downward to explore a different angle of stretch. Stay here for about 2 to 3 breaths as well. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Feel the space opening up. Gently return to center. Release your right hand down. You may drop your head left and right to feel the difference between one neck to the other side. Place your left hand on the side of your right ear. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently stretch the side of your neck. Notice any differences between the left and the right sides. Stay here for about 2 to 3 breaths. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now slightly tilt your head downward to explore a different angle of stretch. You may close your eyes and deepen your awareness of this movement. Hold for 1 to 2 more breaths in here. Gently return to center. Release your hand. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Turn your head to the right side, back to center, then the other side. Continue to repeat this movement for a few more rounds in your own pace. Slowly turn to one side and then to another side. Feel the stretching area as well. Remember to relax your shoulders as you are working on this movement. Stay for a few more breaths in here. Then come back to center. Let's move on to eagle arms pose stretching for shoulder and wrist release. Lift your arms, bend elbows, and place your right hand over your left. Try to interlace your forearms as much as you can. Gently press the forearms together, keeping your shoulders relaxed. If it is really hard for you to keep the pose together, just hold it as much as you can. Avoid forcing it. Close your eyes and hold for about 2 to 3 deep breaths in here. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Now slowly release the pose. From here you can do some shoulder rotations backward. Then let's work on the other side. Place your left arm on top of the right. Interlace your arms again for as much as you can. Remember to drop your shoulders away from your ears. Feeling your arms press against each other to create more stretching in the pose. Close your eyes and stay here for about 2 to 3 deep breaths again. Sometimes you can also feel the upper back is also stretching and opening. Now release the pose. Again, you can do some shoulder rotation backward. Or maybe you can do some shoulder rotation forward. It's always harder to rotate forward. So explore your own movements. Next pose, you may need your yoga strap. Into the cow face pose. Bend your right arm on top, left arm underneath, and see if you can hold your hand. If you can't hold your hand, you can use a strap or towel to help you connect your hands. Stay here for about 2 to 3 deep breaths. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now you can slightly lean your body to the left side. Feel the side body openings on the right. Just a slight movement. Experience different angle of this pose. You can now slowly come back to center. Take your time. Slowly release your right arm and then the left side. A little bit of shoulder rotation, backward or forward. When you're ready, you can work on the other side. Use a strap or towel if you need to. Sometimes one side is easier and sometimes the other side is harder. Stay here for a few breaths. Maybe you can find the differences between the left side and the right side. Then when you are ready, you can slowly lean towards the right side. Just a little bit of side body stretching. You can feel your left body slightly opened. Now back to center. Release your left arm, then the right side. You can add few shoulder rotations if you need to. Now final pose, interlace your fingers, push your arms up, and go all the way backward. Let's repeat these shoulder circles for a few more rounds. Interlace, push, up, backward, and come back. Slowly repeating these motions for a few more rounds at your own pace. Don't push too much if you feel tightness at your shoulders. It takes time for the body to open. Just follow the rhythm of your breath. As you breathe in, push and open. As you breathe out, release and down. Take a little time to relax your head and neck. Breathe slowly and deeply, letting your body feel soft and calm with each breath. Feel your body becomes lighter, more open and relaxed. Carry this peaceful feeling with you as you continue your day. I hope you enjoy the practice.